The 2025 Ducati Diavel V4 is a stunning motorcycle that blends power, style, and technology in a way that only Ducati can. With its bold and aggressive design, the Diavel V4 catches the eye of anyone who lays eyes on it. The bike features a muscular stance, sharp lines, and a striking V4 engine that gives it a unique identity. It's a bike that's built to stand out, both on the road and when parked in your garage. The heart of the Diavel V4 is its 1158cc V4 engine, which is taken from the Panigale V4. This engine delivers an impressive 168 horsepower and 93 pounds-ft of torque, which means that the Diavel V4 is not only fast, but also capable of delivering an exciting riding experience. Ducati has made sure the engine's power is smooth and manageable, so riders can feel confident even when pushing the bike to its limits. The V4 engine is paired with a sophisticated electronics package that helps control its power, ensuring a balance of thrill and safety. Handling is another strong point for the Diavel V4. The bike is equipped with top-of-the-line suspension components, including a fully adjustable front and rear system. This allows for excellent control and comfort, whether you're cruising down a highway or navigating sharp corners. The bike's chassis is designed to provide a perfect blend of stability and agility, making it easy to handle at high speeds or in tight spaces. With the Diavel V4, you can expect a smooth and composed ride, no matter the conditions. One of the most impressive features of the Diavel V4 is its technology. Ducati has equipped the bike with a full-color TFT display that shows all the essential information in an easy-to-read format. The display also allows riders to interact with the bike's advanced electronics, including riding modes, traction control, and launch control. These features let you adjust the bike's performance based on your preferences or the riding conditions. Additionally, the Diavel V4 comes with advanced safety systems like cornering ABS and electronic suspension adjustment, ensuring that both beginner and experienced riders can enjoy the bike with confidence. When it comes to comfort, the Diavel V4 doesn't compromise. It has a well-padded seat that's designed for long rides, making it suitable for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. The bike's ergonomics are designed to keep the rider in a relaxed, yet aggressive riding posture, giving a perfect balance between performance and comfort. In summary, the 2025 Ducati Diavel V4 is a remarkable motorcycle that combines a powerful V4 engine, cutting-edge technology, and a stunning design. It offers a thrilling ride without compromising on comfort or safety. Whether you're looking for speed, style, or just an exciting motorcycle to own, the Diavel V4 is ready to impress. It's a perfect example of Ducati's commitment to creating bikes that push the boundaries of performance and design.